Hey, real quick question. As a repair shop owner, do you understand that there's 41 ways that you can double or even triple your car count and do it all without spending another dime? Really? I've got 41 never-before-released tips, tricks, and hacks that I use with my private clients virtually every day so that their phone never stops ringing and their service bays are always full. But wait, here's the best part. I want to give you each one of the 41 strategies for free. I'm serious. There's nothing to buy. So go ahead, just keep your wallet in your pants. And if that's not good enough for you, wait till you hear this. Every one of the 41 strategies is tried and battle tested. So not one of them revolve around some new high-tech trend or some lame old strategy that I dug up on the internet. These are tried, tested, and proven. And now if that's still not enough, this one, I promise, will blow your mind. Every one of these strategies is totally free to do. In other words, if you're doing some promotion or some Facebook posting, or you're running an ad or a newspaper or a postcard, there's nothing else that you have to do to use these strategies. It's not going to cost you another nickel. So I've got 41 never-before-released strategies that I use with my private clients virtually every day to keep their phone ringing and their bays full. All you have to do is go in the link in the description below this video and grab your copy. And even better than that, every one of the strategies that I include are tried, battle-tested, and won't cost you a single dime to use any of them. So all you have to do is go ahead, follow the link in the description, go ahead and do that, and I'll wait. Well, you know what? I'll see you on the other side. But hurry up and do it now because it's not going to be around for long. Take care. Talk soon. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer.